Welcome to our lesson on everyday conversations in English. Let's dive right in. First up, greetings. It's essential to know how to say hello in different situations. A simple hi or hello works well in casual settings. If you want to be a bit more formal, try good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Remember, a friendly smile goes a long way. Now, let's talk about restaurant conversations. Imagine you're in a restaurant and the waiter approaches. You might start with, "Could I see the menu, please?" Once you're ready to order, you can say, "I'd like the chicken salad, please." If you have dietary restrictions, it's helpful to mention them, like "I'm allergic to nuts." And don't forget to ask for the check at the end with, "Could I get the check, please?" Next, let's cover asking for directions. Picture yourself in a new city. You could approach someone and say, "Excuse me, can you help me? I'm looking for the nearest subway station." If they give you directions, you might want to confirm by saying, "So, I go straight and then turn left?" This shows you're engaged and ensures you understand. Now, small talk. It's a great way to connect with people. You can start with simple questions like, "How's your day going?" Or "What do you think of this weather?" If you're at a gathering, you might say, "Have you tried the food? It's delicious." Small talk is all about finding common ground and keeping the conversation light and friendly. Throughout these conversations, remember to listen actively. Nod your head, make eye contact, and respond to what the other person is saying. This not only shows you're interested, but also encourages them to keep talking. As we wrap up, I encourage you to practice these phrases. Try them out with friends or even in front of a mirror. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. And before you go, remember to subscribe to Docents Digitalist for more tips and lessons. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be having these conversations with ease.